Is this one working? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy ParrishTG, and I'm back. Golly. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy ParrishTG, and I'm back with another video. As you can see, I'm dirty. Look, I done fixed the coilovers. I was too low. Now I raised it up some more, so that's good. I couldn't get it on video. I tried, but it said SIM card error. My SIM card was messed up for some reason. I don't know what it was, but I tried to fix it. It wasn't fixed. But now, I ain't got no footage. I ain't got no footage of it. But I will show you what it looked like after the result of me raising it up some more. But I also got to install my lights back in my car. My Flow Series HALOS back in my car. The driver was messed up on it, and it keeps going out for some reason. I don't know why, but I really think it's because it's not waterproof. And the spot that I got it is like right under the vent, right under the hood vent. So I think every time it rains or I wash it or whatever, it get wet and then it'll go out, and like whatever the case may be. Because everything else is fine, it's wired just fine, the fuses are fine, the power is fine, the ground is fine, everything's fine. This is the second time I had to replace the driver, and it don't take but like 2 minutes. It don't take but like 2 minutes to replace it anyway, so it's not even bad. But it's like $50 just for a driver and a new little whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and get that done, and I'm gonna show y'all what that looked like. I'll show you the before and after, so stay tuned for that. As you can see, I don't know if you can tell from the video that it's a lot different. It was tucked to where I couldn't even get my fingers up under that thing, bro. I couldn't get my fingers under there. Now I can, and it was covering like the top of the tire stickers, but now it's good now. It's a lot better. I might go up a little bit more still. I might still go up a little bit more. I might. And this right here is killing me, bro. Like, this is so bad. I'll never buy Ferrari wheels again. I don't know why. This is the only tire, the only wheel that did it. All my other wheels are fine. It's just, bro. Damn. But now let's get into I'm gonna go ahead and put these lights back on. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this thing up. Hold on a second. Don't mind it. Ooh, I can't show y'all the turbos. Hold on now. Stop playing with me. This what the driver and the whatever this is called. I ain't no electrician, but I know this is the this is the driver, and this is, I forgot what it's called, but it's pretty much the same setup. All I do is take this off, put this one on, take this off, same thing. But the only thing I don't need to take this off is the Bluetooth connector. I didn't get another one of those. It's just this and this. I think, as you can see, this vent right here, every time, if I close it, I'm not gonna close it all the way. If I close it, every time it rains or I wash it, it get wet. Everything else in there, the wires, stuff, waterproof, except that motherfucker. So I'm gonna take this off. As you can see, it's bad, man. So I'm gonna just go ahead and replace that. That's it come with another fuse. I already got one of these because I just recently bought another one. But yep, this is everything, man. This is everything. Now I done ran into a problem. This little part, it's not gonna reach to here. So I put it right there. So I'm gonna have to do the same setup again, and if it go out, oh well. I ain't buying another one. Here go the moment of truth. Let's see if I know what I'm doing or not. I can't even click it. There it go. I know a little something now. Stop playing. They back. Bruh. It hot. But they back though. It feel good. It feel good. enter all types of different modes. So many. But I mainly keep it in the first one. But we be good though. We back. We back nonetheless. And I'm hot. I done switched shirts. The other shirt was wet. But I'm done. I'm going in the house. I gotta go to work. My coilover's done. My light's done. We back in business nonetheless. What is that? Another one down. Bro, it's crazy. I still got the other one of these in my back seat right now. That's how recent it was since I had the other one. Look. That's two. One. So y'all think I'm lying. This is two. This crazy. RGB Halo kits. Y'all need to sponsor me, bro. Cause I done bought so much. I bought so much. Goodness. I'm just gonna put it back here in my trunk. But we good though. I'm gonna go ahead and get cleaned up. Clean all my trash up and stuff like that. My wiring, I mean, for where I can have it, it's alright. It ain't the best wiring, but it get the job done. But it's hot. I'm gonna go ahead and get this all cleaned up. I'm gonna catch y'all in another video. Peace.